Cleaning mass airflow sensor is pretty easy. You've got this stuff that works on most everything, mass airflow sensor cleaner. Pretty simple. You just spray it on there. This cleaner doesn't work on every mass airflow sensor, so Google is your friend. Do your research and you'll find it pretty easy. Things first, you gotta find your mass airflow sensor. This is a 2013 gorgeous Honda Fit. I absolutely love her to death. But this is your mass airflow sensor. It's gonna be somewhere near where the air intake connects into the actual engine itself. And the first step is to just unplug this. Just a little clip you just push down, pull it out. Boom, step one, easy. Step two is going to be unscrewing the screws or whatever connectors you have attached to the bottom of your air intake. For my car, it's not that hard. You just reach in there and take it out, because I put my own air intake in. But on some models, it's a little harder to reach, but you should be fine. You can just take out the whole thing if you need to. So you have that second screw undone. Just gently take it out and try not to touch too much of the silver, nice fun stuff, the sensor itself in there. So I would throw some safety goggles on, just not to blast this in your eyes. You're just going to spray right in wherever your little sensor is, and then also the little holes that go around it. So just probably wear some goggles and just spray the heck out of it. Now the fun part is just letting it dry for the next hour, so sit back, hang out, have a good time. Now that you've let it dry, just go ahead and put it right back in. You want to tighten it down well, but not too well. You want to make sure there's still a seal, so no extra air is leaking out or getting in. But you also don't want it to be jam tight on there. Then you go ahead and you just pop this back on. Turn it over. See if anything happens. Well, my check engine light is still on, but that's no surprise. If you been driving for a while, you get a bad air filter and a lot of buildup cakes up on that mass airflow sensor, it can pop a lot of red flags and make things not work like they're supposed to, and your engine's not going to get the right fuel to air ratio and everything gets all out of whack. So hopefully this helps some people.